Today I'm going to show you how to make an Amy Rose Me from Sonic. This was requested by Toby Ellis. Again, you guessed it. This face. No idea why, but you want these. And no idea why, but you want these. And just keep the colour like that. You want this hair and this colour. Pause the video anytime you need to. You want these eyebrows, these positions. You want to make them the same colour as you did there, so that one. And you want these eyes, these positions. And you'll make them this colour. You want this nose, these positions. This mouth and these positions. Doesn't matter what colour you make it because it's black mouth. So no beard but a mustache. And you need these positions. And you want to make them white. You want a mole, and you want to make them these positions. So those make a nose. How that rhymes. Female, around about this height and width. But you don't have to get it exact because that's hard. So you want these glasses, these positions, and you want this colour. So these are going to be the ears, and they make the little fringe she has, a bit like Tails'. And just keep it red, and then type in Amy Rose. Wow, that was quick. And then press done. Or you can just put Amy. There you have it. An Amy Rose Me.